And then when you are showing what is the probability that the sample proportions are at least 0.26. So if you are here, then area is the probability, this dark area, blue dark area. What is this area? Find the area using a standard normal curve. This comes from an applet or other technology. And the probability here, it shows for this part 0.25. And the way in which you can go for such probability calculation, these are the simple mathematical relations or equations which you can use it. Now, it comes to the multiple regression, which I have explained earlier, that multiple linear regression, you need to understand linear regression, then it comes to multiple linear regression. So if you are talking about multiple linear regression, I am not going anymore for the definition part, where one of the paper has shown different types of regressions. For example, here uncorrelated predictors in A, then regression of the uncorrelated predictors, then here correlated predictors, then regression for the correlated predictors. So what you need to be aware, some of the terms, for example, weight on height, weight on jump height, then regression, linear regression, and the linear equations. If you understand these things, then it is quite easy to implement and go for predictions of by using the equations in any sample which you are going to analyze. Now, multiple linear regression is similar to simple linear regression, with the exception that it uses several explanatory variables which are independent instead of one to predict the outcome of the response variable that is dependent. So what is the multiple linear regression and where it can be applied, and what are the pros or applications of multiple linear regression? So this is a statistical means used extensively to model the relationship between different variables.